Alexander, I'm the president of ISEC Indonesia.
And I'm Camilo, the president of ISEC in Dominican Republic.
Hello, ISEC in Kenya.
This is Evelyn, MCP of ISEC in Australia.
This is Johannes, MCP of ISEC in Austria.
Guys, we're MCP from Africa.
Hola, ISEC Kenya. I am Poncho, MCP of ISEC in Mexico.
Hello, ISEC in Kenya. My name is Brett, and I'm the MCP of ISEC in Kazakhstan.
Hey, my name is Abdul Bam from Senegal.
Hi, ISEC Kenya. I'm MCP of ISEC in Cameroon. I hope you guys are doing great, and I really wish to use this opportunity to transmit to you, for example, the kind of impact ISEC can create in your life. So I do recommend that you stay in touch with ISEC, you give your best, and really gain the experience you're looking forward. In Africa, we need people like you to change our history, to change our story. So I wish you the best in your ISEC career, and please, always move forward. Always move forward to take new leadership positions, and don't forget to be an MCP.
Hey, ISEC in Kenya!
Hi, ISEC in Kenya. I wish you all the best this year, and remember, you guys are leaders, and we look up to you to lead the organization to bring us the goal which we want to achieve, okay? Think about lead every day, and remember that you're enabling the lives and experiences of people.
My name is Dapo Wakin Shola, and I'm the MCP of ISEC Nigeria, and she is?
Hi, I'm Stava. I'm currently working in ISEC Ghana on the MC.
But she's not West African, she's from one country like that, don't mind that. Okay, so first is that yes, we want to congratulate you guys for winning UBS. I think you guys rock, and I think you guys are really, you know, doing the change thing that we do in ISEC. It's good.
Hello ISEC, my name is Francisco Kwanta. I'm from ISEC in UCC in Ghana.